WireBarley review, my honest experience with this money transfer service. When it comes to sending money internationally, most people worry about hidden fees, slow transfers, and poor exchange rates. So, I decided to test WireBarley, a digital money transfer service that promises fast, affordable cross-border payments. Here's my honest review after using it. The setup process was smooth and quick. After downloading the app and verifying my ID, I was able to send funds in minutes. WireBarley mainly focuses on sending money from countries like the US, Canada, Australia, and parts of Asia to destinations such as South Korea, the Philippines, and Vietnam. The surprising truth? The fees are incredibly low, sometimes even zero, depending on the corridor. What impressed me most was their exchange rate transparency. The rate you see in the app is the rate you get, no hidden margins. Transfers typically arrive within a few hours, and in some cases, almost instantly. Compared to traditional banks, that's a huge improvement. I also like that you could pay using a debit card, bank account, or even Apple Pay for convenience. Most people get this wrong. They assume cheaper means riskier. But WireBarley is fully licensed and regulated in multiple countries. Transactions are encrypted and secure, giving you peace of mind that your money is safe. The app's design is simple, intuitive, and available in multiple languages, which is great for users with family abroad. The only downside? The service isn't yet global, so availability depends on where you live and where you're sending money. Overall, WireBarley is one of the best options for fast, low-cost international transfers, especially to Asia. If you're tired of paying high bank fees or waiting days for your money to arrive, this service is definitely worth a try.